What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? For those who don't know me, I go by the name of Drew. And first and foremost, I just want to say thank you for supporting me. We're currently almost at 800 subscribers, so thank you. If you haven't seen my first cleaning video, it's one of my best so far. Check it out. I'm gonna leave the link up here. My second cleaning video, which is my most recent video, my 6-minute cleaning routine. Check that out. I'll leave the link up here as well. Continue to like, comment, subscribe, support the channel, join the community. You know, it's greatly appreciated. I want to give y'all more videos like this with me face to face in front of the camera, talking to y'all, but this is extremely uncomfortable. So some good words of encouragement in the comments would definitely help me get over that and become more comfortable. But I know the more I do it, the more, I'll be more comfortable. On today's agenda, I'm going to bring y'all another cleaning video, but this time I'm going to be cleaning upstairs in my master bathroom. But first, I need to go take care of some Amazon returns. And when I come back, hopefully the floor is dry because I just had some new grout put down this morning. Perfect timing too because the grout was getting old. But yeah, with that being said, let's get the day started. Today's fit check, something cozy, something light. I like dressing cozy like this, especially when it's cold. Right now it's pretty cold down here in Houston. Just had some snow the other day. Let's get the day started. So now I'm back. Let's head upstairs. So now I'm upstairs in the bedroom. I'm not gonna show y'all yet because it's not finished, but let's take a look at the bathroom. They look about dry, except for that spot right there. For the most part, I think I can get started. All right, let's get to work. y'all made it this far in the video, I appreciate y'all. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, join the community. Any way y'all can support the channel, I appreciate it. Thank y'all for rocking with me. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.